Your iPhone can record its screen and your voice in just a few taps. First, we'll access screen recording through the control center. To do this, swipe down from the top right corner of your phone, press and hold an empty area on the screen. Then, tap Add a control at the bottom. You'll find more than 100 controls here. Type screen recording into the search bar. Then, tap the option that appears. The button is red right now because the screen is currently being recorded. Normally, the button will appear gray. If you also want to record your voice while recording your screen, it's very simple. Press and hold the screen recording button. Then tap the microphone icon at the bottom. When the icon turns red, it means your microphone audio is also being recorded. To stop recording, tap the red indicator in the top left corner of the screen. Select stop and the recording will end. You can find your screen recordings in the Photos app on your phone.